City Alpha 20 years old. Queens RJ Abel-Lenar. First platoon leader boys, Kitty Carlos Luis. Second platoon leader boys, Sergio Osorio. City Bravo Commander, Mary Thomas Loma. City Bravo 20 years old, Alina Cuenca. First platoon leader girls, Angelina Loma. Second platoon leader girls, Apple Joy Loma. Market Commander, Donna Open-Hand. Market 20 years old, Bernadette Monica. First platoon leader, Kate Arnold. Second platoon leader, President Ariel Renano. School principal, Joseph Gonzalez. Thank you very much. Entry number 9, Milaor National High School, San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Derek Grant Bartusis, for platoon leader boys, Sam Francis Asa. Second platoon leader boys, Gael Amado, City Bravo Company Commander, Jose Villar. City Bravo Company Exo, Nina Altea Casame. First platoon leader girls, Rosalie Angelomo. Second platoon leader girls, Luisa Moira Aguilar. Market Company Commander, Justine Picta. Market Company Exo, Jemuel Fernando. First platoon leader, Jonathan Siman. Second platoon leader, Shandy Mariano. School head, Manuel Owen. City Market Company Boys, Laura Azura. Emilio Osorio.
Entry number 10, Sipokot National High School, Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Entry number 11, Baton National High School, San Vicente, Baton, Camarines Sur. Chur Enzo Olenosca, CBD Alpha Company Commander, Venture Sandy Ramos. CBD Alpha Company Expo, Justin Arroyo. First platoon leader, boys, Vivian Orasa. Second platoon leader, boys, Aaron Onoya. CBD Bravo Company Commander, Kathleen Sanfilio. CBD Bravo Company Expo, Delicious R. Confidente. First platoon leader, girls, Don Lili Gaspi. Second platoon leader, girls, David Leonardo. School head, James P. Juarez. CBD Bravo Company NSP Ramadano. Maintenance coordinator of the Community Department. EXNCP Coordinator, Henry and Rasta. And Francis A. Alcantara. Entry Palawan, S5, Major Leader, Alfred C. Morales, DLC Leader, Raymond Narciso, CDP Alpha Company Commander, JP Van Valores, CDP Alpha Company Exxon Gray C. Espinas, First Level Leader, Agent A. Pinalata, Second Level Leader, Vice Edgar G. CDP Jr., CDP Bravo Company Commander, Maria Dalene Rios, CDP Bravo Company Exxon, J. Lee P. Yagas, First Level Leader, Girls, Maria P. Francisco, Second Level Leader, Girls, CDP Hood, Student, Dorothy P. Calayope, CDP Company Senator, Madeline P. Lutayo, Majors Coordinator, Dominic P. Santos, Alvin Thank you. LG number 12, Halawan National High School from Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Next entry, LG number 13, Huyun Huyun High School. Huyun Huyun, Tigang Assistant CCTV, Alarm Facilitator, Emerald JP Esmenda, Assistant Majors Coordinator. Entry number 13, Huyun Huyun High School. Huyun Huyun, Tigang Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 13, Huyun Huyun High School, Huyun Huyun Tigang Camarines Sur. And mother, Angel and Marco, CTP Bravo Company XO, Marlene Corobale. First platoon leader, Trisha May Pinakay. Second platoon leader, girls, Dayan Villaluz. School head, Dr. Maricel Dolor. CTP Mapping Facilitator, John Raniel Indrado. Majors Coordinator, Mia S. D. Villarrea. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Aura Grace A. Nobleza. Giselle Daniel Hilario. Assistant Major Coordinator, Assistant CTP Mapping Facilitator, John Lynn Alves. Entry number 14, Kipayo, National High School, San Antonio, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. San Antonio, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 15, category 3 and 4, Pinaglabanan National High School. School head, Rosemary Amarmelania, CBP Mapping Facilitator, RGA Oven, Majors Coordinator, Rosal Comasa, DXMC DLC Coordinator, Roy G. Pinera, Melvis Simoleo, Assistant CBP Facilitator, Eloy Nadia. Sur. Entry number 16. Dulce Brillano Platoon Memorial National High School, Santa Cruz, Tinampak, Camarines Sur. Chucky Bravo Camarines EXO, Claire Abogado. First platoon leader, girls, Travis Pulir. Second platoon leader, girls, Princess Ken Corporal. Papi Camarines Commander, Isabel Dacuba. Papi Camarines EXO, Mark Criston Palo. First platoon leader, Jasmine Garcia. Second platoon leader, Joseph Olguillo. School head, Dr. Brenda D. Alvaro. CTP Family Facilitator, Jerry S. Argones. Main Church Coordinator, Sunny D. Orticio. DSNC Coordinator, Alan D. Monforte. Assistant Band Coordinator, Emiliano B. V. Vicelia. Entry number 16, Dulce Emiliano Platoon Memorial National High School, Santa Cruz, Tinampak, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 16, Dulce Emiliano Platoon Memorial National High School, Tinampak, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 17, San Isidro National High School, San Isidro, John Harvey Balhimino. Second platoon leader, Jerome A. Loctiana. School head, Dr. Alan D. Ponce, Principal 2. CTP Mafia Facilitator, John D. San Agustin. CTP DRM Mafia Training Officer, Staff Sergeant Executive A. Now Reserve Philippine Air Force. Major Coordinator, ES 17 Reyes. Assistant Major Coordinator, Alvin A. San Esteban. EXMC DNC Coordinator, Jericho D. Mariano. Assistant DNC Coordinator, Angelisa Luco D. Abad. Entry number 17, San Isidro National High School, San Isidro, Lipanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 17, San Isidro National High School, San Isidro, Lipanan, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the
First of Chris Poligasti. First platoon leader boys, Jeremy Noblesa. Second platoon leader boys, Alvin King. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Dasvin Azul. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Janine Malto. First platoon leader girls, Johnny Umayate. Second platoon leader girls, Andrea Payne Mayon. Mafia Company Commander, Prince Chandler Martinez. Mafia Company Commander, First platoon leader, Thank you. Entry number 18, San Agustin Standalone Senior High School, Iligan City.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Attorney Paul Gabriel A. Castro.
Jimenez, stroke S3, Ina Julius Arabi, stroke S4, Jenny Bless Militante, stroke S5, Major Leader, Fiona Landaveo, DLC Leader, Gabriel A. Biagan, CTP, Alpha Company Commander, Jeremiah G. Salcedo, CTP Alpha Company XO, Justine Hope Punesto, First Platoon Leader, Boys J. Denver Madriaga, Second Platoon Leader, Boys Romeo Santuito, CTP Bravo Company Commander, Nicole C. Mendez, CTP Bravo Company XO, Janica Magayawa, First Platoon Leader, King Justin Senado, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Lynn Eric Bologna, School Head, Genevieve A. Sabine, CTP Bravo Company Jonathan Paulini, Majors Coordinator Marlon S. Avila, DXMC PLC Coordinator Dominic Aquino, Entry number 19, San Agustin Integrated School, San Agustin, Libonalay. Thank you. Entry number 19, San Agustin Integrated School, San Agustin, Libon, Albay. Next entry. Entry number 20, Malawag National High School, Malawag. Mape Company Commander, Saichan Cariaga, Mape Company XO, Jason B. Investor, First Platoon Leader, Russell J. Guanzon, Second Platoon Leader, Hasmin A. Saballero, School Head, Hermia Saizon, CTP Mape Facilitator Tomas L. Marandon, CTP Mape Assistant Facilitator Aisan Dangalan, Majors Coordinator Marianta S. Julie, Majors Trainer Donna Faye C. Dasillo, DXMC PLC Coordinator Ray Benjo Albesa, DXMC PLC Assistant Coordinator JCP Barandon. Entry number 20, Malawag National High School, Malawag, Nagwa, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 20.
Announcement. Kung saan naman po ang magkaibalan ng mga faculty and staff, kang Holy Trinity Campus
High School, Kalambangan, Sipokot, Camarines Sur, Chop and Staff, Jos Alay, Chop Commander, Leslie K. Mobiliano, Chop S1, Charles Piñano, Chop S2, John Rex Barrecas, Chop S3, Jay Pasillo, Chop S4, Mark Anthony Emalianes, Chop S5, Paul Divalda Navarro, Chop S6, Major Leader, Hasbin Jesus, DLC Leader, Daniel Magalaya, CTP Alpha Company Commander, Katalay, CTP Company Commander XO, Reyna G. Reyes, CTP Platoon Leader, Boys Thank you. Entry number 21 from Sacred Heart High School, Kalagbangan, Sibukot, Camarines Sur. Next, CTP Bravo Camarines Commander, Janice Balsa. CTP Bravo Camarines XO, Ray Angela Pacares. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Janine Patriarca. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Risa Permelada. Mafia Camarines Commander, Giselle Calibaga. Mafia Camarines XO, John Raymond Paco. First Platoon Leader, Javier Peña. Second Platoon Leader, Mariana Desel. Student, Highway P. Casio Jr. CTP Mafia Facilitator, Alan P. Ortua. Major Coordinator, Kyle Maria Respeto. DXMCT LC Coordinator, Roel Purisima. Anthony Linzo, Assistant CTP Facilitator. Javier Yasa P. Gracio, Assistant Majors Coordinator. Entry number 22, San Ramon, Pilot, National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 22, San Ramon Pilot National High School from Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 23, Nabua National High School, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Chopin staff, Benny Marie Picondo, Joan P. Plutado, Mami Camarines Commander, Mike Quinta Alange, Mami Camarines XO, Ivan Buki. First Platoon Leader, Harp Ariel Francia. Second Platoon Leader, Rialin D. School Head, Dr. Oliver Pahardo Hal, Page Principal 4, CTP Mafia Facilitator, Captain Lane Matriz Tolentino, Reserve Philippine Army, Majors Coordinator Lee Giselle Escolano, One Coordinator Martina Sernande. Entry number 23, Nabua National High School, San Miguel, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 23, Nabua National High School from Nabua, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 24, Calabanga National Science High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga. Magdalena Alizaban, Troop S5, Christine Cassandra Viola, Troop S6, Major Leader, Sophie Aguilar, Venus Leader, General Hall Preba, CTP Alpha Company Commander, John Paul Bagay, CTP Alpha Company XO Veteran R. Canal, First Platoon Leader Boys, John Marqueo Yanis, Second Platoon Leader Boys, Rafael Esguera, CTP Bravo Company Commander, Francis Pinta Abad, CTP Bravo Company XO, Johan Kuladel, First Platoon Leader, Girls, Atlanta and Saya, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Janet Kuladel, Mafia Company Commander, Roland Commander, King Abad, Mafia Company XO, Natalie Yanis, First Platoon Leader, Jerome Solomon, Thank you. Entry number 24, Calabanga National High School, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 25, Lagunoy High School Incorporated,